tayo mga ka-estong at ngayon tayo mag-unboxing ng padala sa atin galing sa Lazada. Isa po siyang YouTuber, si Maclean T Vlog. Subscribe po naman mula sa ating mga ka-estong kaibigan.
Kuya Ara? Kuya
Ara?
Ay. Dapat pa nagtuloy mo sa halagang hindi. Hindi. Hindi.
Ito po ay galing dun sa ating kaibigan na si isang vlogger, si Maclean T Vlog. Paki-subscribe po.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted.
Maraming salamat kay Tol Maclean. Shout out sa iyo. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, ay mag-subscribe na at i-hit ang notification bell. Maraming salamat. Stay strong.